Hi everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are trying to test a new live stream way. We are doing the live stream um, both on YouTube and TikTok. Okay. And if you are the fans of TikTok, or if you are the fans of TikTok or YouTube, you can log on any of them and trying to respond to us. And I want to make some interaction with you. And please leave any comments here to let me know which brand or what product. To let me know what product or which kind of wheels you are the most interested in. I would like to introduce any product we produce to you。那这个看不见那什么呀？这看不见那个上面的牌子。往上来点，看见灯球了。反正这样看也，反正也显小。
看不着，往下来点，别要这灯球。这个光太那个什么，连这个照上。这个那个什么那个 TikTok 网页能直播
？TikTok 网应该也能吧。
不行，这个就照的太大。
Hello. Okay, let me start. Today, when we're doing the live stream, you have something. You can see something interesting. Okay. You can see something interesting. Huh? Why? Because you can see here we have some models. We have some models for you to understand more easily. To see what of our product could do. Here, look. When we assemble a car, we need to polish the surface of the car, especially the roof of the car. And we put our wheels on the robotic machine, and they start to polish the car, to polish the roof of the car, to polish here and here. Very interesting, huh? Very interesting. Okay, today I would like to show you how to show you the work, show you the work procedure, to show the work process of our product. Well, I know some of you can't wait. Okay. Okay. Let's see. From where we start. Okay. Allow me some minutes. I would like to introduce you who we are. And yes, you must see there are a lot of grinding wheels behind me. There are a lot of grinding wheels behind me on the wall behind me. Okay. Yeah. Who we are? We are the producer. We are the manufacturer of the professional grinding wheels. Okay, we are the manufacturer of grinding wheels. Various of grinding wheels. Each type, the wheels they specialize in different industries. Yes, they specialize in different industries. Okay. Yeah, I'll give you a brief to you of who we are. Okay. Okay, we are a manufacturer of grinding, polishing the board wheels in China. Okay, actually, we are very few company who can produce a high quality product for the high end workpiece use. Right. Normally when you when you heard of polishing, when you heard of grinding, the first that you think are the grinding some rough things to grinding some tough or grinding some raw materials, the metal, iron, steel, etc. But yes, we can do that. Please see the black wheels, black nylon polishing nylon wheels, non-woven polishing wheels. We use that to polish some rough to raw materials. We use that to polish some raw materials, but also we can produce some high quality wheels, which we use that. Not we use that, which some customers they have some high-end products need to be polished, and they ask me to provide some high quality wheels to polish the high-end stuff. Yeah, what is high-end stuff? Like look at this, the turbine blade. Have you ever seen this before? The turbine blade. Yes, in the aircraft, in the airplane, you see the on the wings of the aircraft of the airplanes, and there's some blade there, and the blade need to be maintained time to time. How to maintain the blade? To polish the blade, and at that time. At that time, look at this blade. This is the model of the turbo blade, and we use the high end. We use our high quality product. The gray wheels behind me to polish. Not gray wheel. The blue actually. Later I will show you the high quality products to polish the turbine blade. And in the world, not in China, in the world, there are very few companies. There are very few companies who can produce the wheels to polish the turbine blade, but we can. Okay, this is very special. Okay, this is very special. Yes. Okay. Let me continue on. Let me continue. Let me introduce our company to you. Okay. Tianjin Pengyu New Material Company Limited. Tianjin Pengyu New Material Company is the name of our company. Please remember the name, because if you have some, how to say that, if you have some friends or you have some relatives who work in some industries like iron, steel, or the car, automobile, aircraft industry. If you have some friend working in that industry, and they must need a polished product provider. Okay, and please remember our name, and you can introduce us after you heard what we say, after you hear what we say, after you hear the introduction of this company, and then you can introduce us to your friends, to tell them that I have a crew who can do who can provide the world class grinding wheels. Okay. Okay. Tianjin Pengyu New Material Limited is a professional abrasive tool manufacturer. The company's main products include, please look at, please look at here, please look at here, include laser breeze wheel, this one, laser breeze wheel, industrial Bristol disc, and the radio Bristol disc, and the radio Bristol disc, and the convolute wheel, this one convolute wheel, non-woven polish wheel, Okay, these grinding wheels applied to automobile manufacturing, aerospace, medical equipment, sports equipment, hardware products, precision polishing, and other professional fields. We will continue to invest in technology and product innovation to provide professional customized solutions for different industries and applications. Mhm. Okay, you can see the difference here. You can see the difference here. Okay. Do you want me to introduce what we produced to you again? Please have a look. The main product we have is laser breeze wheel. This laser breeze wheel. Let me introduce you this kind of product. It's very useful and it's very special wheel. Very few companies could do this in China. Laser breeze wheel, finishing rough or potted, finishing rough or pitted roof. A pitted roof ditch brazes without slowing down the line can be a real challenge. What's that mean? When you're finishing the pitted roof, a rough roof of a car, you normally will have slowing down the line. We have slowing down the line. No, we have slowing down. We have to be careful of the speed. So, what our product can finish in rough or pitted roof ditches brazes without without slowing down the line quickly and precisely with laser braze heavy duty unitized wheel. These high performance unitized wheels are specially designed for higher pressure robotic and handheld leveling, finishing, and cleaning of continuous brazed weld on the roof or body joints of a car. Please see the model here. Please have a look at this model. Have a look at this model here and here. Please have a look at this model. This is a car. This is a car is being assembled. This is a car is being assembled. And you can see here, there are two robotic holding. There are two robotic holding, right? There are two robotic holding. And we put the laser breeze wheels on this robotic arm. put the wheels on the robotic arm and start to polish and finishing the roof of the car. To finish the roof of the car. Here, to finishing the roof of the car here. Can you understand? Can you understand the work logic? The work logic of the machine. Okay, these high performance intelligent wheels are specially designed for higher pressure robotic and handheld with designed for higher robotic. Lovely. Okay. Features the same production proven construction and standard unitized wheels. Combine fast, aggressive cutting action with long life. You can process more cars between between wheel changes. Between wheel changes. Yeah, it's easy to understand that you use something to polish another thing. In the polish process, the wheel itself will reduce. It's reducing, right? The materials is reducing, right? When we use the wheel to polish other things, and the wheels become smaller and smaller. Right, this is quite easy to understand, right? The wheels is becoming smaller and smaller, and in that time, when you use some low quality wheels, you have to change many pieces. You have to change many pieces, right? Because you have to continue you have to continue the polishing, right? If you use the low quality ones, very soon the wheels will be finished. Very soon the wheel will be finished. So, but with our wheels, the service life is quite long. Between you change another piece of wheel, it can polish. It can polish more cars than the traditional wheel. You know what I mean? So with one piece of our product of our laser brace wheel, you can polish more cars than other traditional wheels, which means it save you the cost to customer. It can save your cost. Okay, you pay the same and buy the same pieces of wheels, but with ours, you can polish more cars. So that's why I say that it could save your cost. That's why I say it could save your cost. Okay. Yeah. The best of all, it will give you more precise control over the cut than conventional wire brushes. Yeah, when you use the wire brushes, just like wire brushes, not same but similar like this. The wire brushes, not all product, but you can imagine, you can think about it with wire brushes. We use wire brushes to polish the cars. You will polish an area, right? Not precisely to polish a line, not polish the line here, but not polish the line, right? But with our product, you can precisely polish where you want to polish. That's quite easy to understand. That's quite easy to understand, right? Okay, so our product give you more precise control of the cut than conventional wire brushes. This means there's less likelihood of removing steel from the roof. When you use wire brush to polish an area, it will reduce extra steel from the car, and it is unnecessary, right? It is unnecessary. With our product, you can precisely polish the car, and less extra steel waste would be occurred. There's less waste would be occurred. Another another way to help you save the cost. Another way to help you to save the cost. Another way to help you to save the cost. Okay. If you use conventional wheels and in the publishing process, it might remove steel from the roof, and in this way, it will weaken the structure of the workpiece. It will weaken the structure of the workpiece. Here, it will weaken the car. It will weaken the structure of the car. It's crucial. It's critical. It's a critical problem. Can you imagine that? If you are a car manufacturer and you want your cars to be recognized as a good quality cars, but if you use some if you use some lower quality wheels to polish the car, and it will weaken your structure, and when the customer buy your car, and if there's any accident happen, then they will say that, wow, then why this car is so weak? Maybe because of the you use the wrong wheels to polish the car. That's why. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, of course. And when you use conventional wheels to polish the car, the zinc coating of the car would be degrading. The zinc the zinc coating of the car would be degraded. But with our product, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, our product won't damage the zinc coating of the car while you are use our product to polish the car. Okay, and you have many sizes and thickness to choose, and also you can customize the sizes and the thickness you want. Okay, actually, it's kind of customize the product. Okay, next I would like to introduce you the convolute, the Burry convolute wheel. The Burry convolute wheel is also special. It's also special. The convolute wheel, the Burry convolute wheel. You can see here there are many different thicknesses. There are many different thicknesses. Here, about here, here, many different thicknesses. With the different thicknesses, you can precisely polish the different things, of course. And let me go. Let me give you a whole picture of the brain. Let me give you a whole picture of the brain conduit wheel. Okay, Dexel DEXL is the model. Okay, DEXL is the model of this kind of wheel. DEXL is the model of this kind of wheel. Dexel, the marine conduit wheel, can quickly disperse, finishes, and polishes all types of metals, composites, glass, and gives a smooth, clean surface. A precise, a a precise, a precise combination of fiber bundles resins, and abrasive minerals. The wheels will not cause blocks and produce little residue during operation. Again, right. During the process, during the grinding process, some residue will happen, of course, because the wheels it reduces it to sacrifice itself. And it sacrifices itself during polishing, right? And sometimes it will have some residues. The less residue happen, the better quality of the view. So with all product, a little, or I would say less residue will be produced during the operation. So so this kind of view widely used in aerospace industry for finishing parts. Aerospace to finishing parts. Look at here. Look at here. This is really need words to introduce more. Introduce more. Aerospace. In the aircraft, you will see sometimes if you sit near the window, you can see the wing of the aircraft. And on the wing of the aircraft, you can see the turbine blade. You can see the turbine blade. And this is precise. This is a fine part. This is a fine part of our airplane, right? And these blades need to be polished also. And it has to be maintained time to time. It has to be maintained time to time. How? With what? With what to polish the blades? With this. With overconvolute wheel to polish the turbine blade. Zing, 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 zing. If you have some relative, or you have some friends who work in the aerospace industry, and they know the turbine blade of an aircraft need to be bladed time to time. Need to be bladed time to time. By what? This convolute wheel. The convolute wheel will produce. Nowadays in the world there's very few companies who can produce the convolute wheel used for turbine blade polishing. This is very, very rare. This product is very rare, and very few companies in this world could produce this kind of product to polish in the aircraft turbine blade. So you see, turbine blade, okay. Turbine blade to use this to polish. Okay. Now, and here I want to give you some parameters. I would like to give you some parameters of this kind of wheel. I will give you some parameters. Okay. Listen, as I said before, the wheels will not cause block, right? And the less residues will be produced during the operation. And including the turbine blades and the rotors, aluminum profiles, stainless steel, surgical instrument, medical surgical instrument, this fine machine, this fine machinery. If you want to polish some fine machinery, like aircraft, medical equipment, rotors, aluminum profiles, surgical instrument, etc. You need to use the convoluted wheels to polish them, not this one, not the black one, not this non-woven polish wheel. Non-woven polish wheel used for raw materials, But convoluted wheel, what they are used for? They are used for fine equipment, fine machinery, right? Like turbine blade, I emphasized again and again, and like a turbine blade, like medical surgical equipment, and sport equipment. Okay, you can see that. What's the difference? In different areas, in different industries, we use different wheels to polish. Right? Don't underestimate the polish process. When you want to buy a jewelry, the jewelry also need to be polished in the once before you buy it, before the jewelry in your hand. The workers, they use wheels. They use now they use other wheels. Actually, this is okay. Actually, this is okay. Yeah, to polish the jewelry. Okay? To polish jewelry. Okay, welcome anyone who joined us, who came into this room, to came this live streaming room. Welcome. And like I said, anytime you have any question, please leave your comments here. Anytime, please leave your comments here. Please leave your comments here. And I would like to answer any questions you got here. Okay. Okay. Let's do the next. The bird finish pro unit has the wheel. The bird finish pro unit has the wheel. Like I said, each type of the product we produce is where it's special. Right? We don't produce the whole second things. We do something exquisite. We do something very special for different fine area, not only for the raw material polishing. Okay, the bird finish pro unit has the wheel. Which one? This one. The smaller one. The smaller one. The bird finish pro unit has the wheel, the smaller one. What is this smaller one used for? This is used for to deburr and finish threaded joints. Threaded joints. What is threaded joints? Let's please have a look at the picture. Threaded joints. Threaded joints. Please look at the picture. Threaded joints. Anyone, like I said, I know maybe some of you have relatives or friends who working in petroleum industry. You can ask your friend who work in petroleum industry and what they are used for the most. They use the drill pipe, different pipes. The drill pipe, the pipe to pump up or deliver petrol, deliver gas. Maybe some of you have friends who work in this industry, and each pipe when they join together, they need to scroll bad threaded joints, right? There are some threaded joints. The threaded joints need to be the interface of the threaded joints need to be polished also, right? Great, need to be polished also. Need to be polished also. Mhm. Yes. Yes. So when you see we have different, I say again, we have different wells, different specialized wells for different things, for different industries. Now you can see. Yes, the birds and the finished pro unit has the well spans many industries. Like I said, the mostly used for petroleum industry, for those pipes, Okay. Um, Oil and gas, aerospace, automotive, and the metal fabrication. It differs. Of course, it differs. Because it is called debar, and the finished pro unit has the well. It differs. And blend and finish on a variety of workpieces. Diverse, blend, and finish on a variety of workpieces. Designed to make a variety of metalworking applications easier and more efficient for industrial applications. Achieve enduring use. It means the service life is long. All type of views that we are produced, they have a longer service lives than other brands, than other polish wheel. Reduce change times. Again, reduce change times. What does mean? If the service life is short, it will be changed time to time. It will be changed quickly. Soon, one piece of wheel is exhausted, and you have to change another one, right? And this is razor cost. This is a razor cost. So with more uh, enduring life, with enduring with longer service life, you can use this wheel longer, and the change time will be less. Right? Reduce change times. Minimal dust and the debris build up. Deburring, finishing, or blending in one time. Blending, finishing, deburring in one time. Blending, finishing, deburring in one time. Remember this. Blending, finishing, deburring in one time. You don't have to change another ways. You don't have to change other tools. Okay. Delivers 30 to 50 delivers 30% to 50% faster for removal while minimizing overcutting for few objects. Also means the work efficient is higher. The work efficiency is higher. The work efficiency is higher. The work efficiency is higher. This one. Okay. Okay, let me give you a sum up. The small one for pipes threaded joints. Small one for pipes threaded joints. The gray one for aerospace turbine blade. This one with the brace for car assemble. For car assemble. Okay, now let's introduce all the most beautiful wheels, the most pretty wheels on the back wall of me. Okay, what is this called? It is called industry Bristol disc. 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 Industrial Bristol disc. Industrial Bristol disc is used for cleaning, general maintenance, and repair in many maintenance facilities. Automotive repair and engine rebuild. It is faster running 1 inch, 2 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch discs with the standard attachment efficiently clean or strip many substances from metal surface without damaging the workpiece. Because of the material of this kind of product is different from others, and the material is more friendly to the workpiece during the process. If you polish it with this, it's damage. It won't damage the workpiece. Okay. And operator quickly and easily achieve the quality consistent finish with light pressure. You know? Do you know what I mean? When an operator to polish something, he hold the tools, mount the disc, and polishing the workpiece. Sometimes the operator need to sometimes the operator need to give more effort to polish the stuff, to give more to produce more pressure. It's very hard. It's very hard and very exhausting to the operator. The operator would be very tired after the polish, right? But with this one, with this industrial Bristol disc, with light pressure, With light pressure, the disk could polish the things perfectly. So it saved the labor. The operator don't have to pay that much effort to give pressure to polish the stuff. With light pressure, it's okay. You'll achieve the polish, achieve the polished goal, right? So it's save your labor. It's save your labor. Okay, 4.5-inch Bristol disc remove paints, stains, adhesives, welding, burns, rust, heavy oxide, and the surface contaminant. And the surface contaminant. Good. With less pressure from the operator, it can quickly and easily to remain to diverse to remove the contaminants, remove the heavy oxide, the stains, adhesives, etc. etc. Maximum the operating speed is suitable for most right angle tool. Okay, maximum the operating speed is suitable for most right angle tool. Okay, and the next star product is this one, the radio Bristol disc, the radio Bristol disc, the radio one, the splash to everywhere, the radio Bristol disc. Faster debris and the cleaning of the small areas. Mhm. Small areas or big areas? Yes, the small area, big area. Mm. There are many sizes. There are many sizes for you to choose. 9, 16-inch, 3, 4-inch, and 1-inch radio Bristol disc have very flexible bristle for debris, cleaning, finishing, and polishing detailed part of tiny areas. Not this one. I'm saying this one. The smaller one, but the same shape. The same shape, but smaller. Okay. Same shape, but smaller. To deburring, finishing, cleaning, and polishing small areas. These discs can replace chemically and compounds. The 1-inch disc cleans small area with heavy duty requirements. Except what you can see behind me, actually we have a lot of other products that could you choose. You know. Okay. Anyone who just joined the stream. Anyone who just joined the stream, please leave any comments, and I would like to answer any comments of you. And tell me what product you are interested in most, and point out or leave a comment of what this you are interested in, and I'm glad to show you more explanation of that product. I would like to show you more explanation of that disk. Okay. Anyone here? Anyone in TikTok? Anyone in YouTube? You can leave any comments here. Please let me see your comments. Please let me see your comments. After seeing your comments, and you tell me which product you are interested in, and maybe you're not professional here, and you just see, oh, that wheel, the colorful wheel is beautiful. Tell me something about that colorful wheel. I will tell you about the colorful wheel. It's very interesting, huh? It's like a tongue twister, right? I will tell you the will. I will tell you the will. When you tell me which will you are the most interested in. The colorful one, the black one, the gray one, the smaller one, the big one, the thick one, the thin one, and one. Let's do a review of all these wheels. What's the name of this wheel? If you give the right answer, I will give you a gift. Okay. Laser breeze. Laser breeze wheel. Laser breeze wheel. Laser breeze wheel. And the gray one is got the birds and the finishing come with wheel. The birds come with wheel. Provide innovative solutions that allow complex manufacturing to run smoothly.
我这段英文翻译的对吗？对对对。我天，没人吧？
It allows complex manufacturing to run smoothly.
有哪个单词不对的？前面是中文，中文是咱自己的。这个 run smoothly 这个单词对不对？我感觉这个太口语化，有没有那种专业点的？
Innovative solution that allow complex manufacturing. 我觉得
流畅运行就是整体让它的过程就是你能理解我的意思吗？咱中文的那个流畅运行就是整个生产过程。
To allow complex manufacturing.
它的是吧 ？run 不是跑得很快的意思吗？这样翻译过来不准。Provide intervention 什么 solutions that allow 的允许复杂制造跑得很快。我的理解是这个意思啊。
其实他这说的话倒也不错，其实。
那有没有专业一点的？或者你给我说一下，我去改一下。Provide 什么样的 solution？
Innovative solution，
没错啊，
Providing innovative solutions that allow complex manufacturing operate.
你给我打一下。那现在有一部分我已经编辑出来一部分，省得全打。太空了吧，风扇太少是吧？电脑直播就造的比较少。
Run smoothly. Operate hypo. Run. Manufacturing. To be smoothly. 必须。怎么打 B 就是把那 run 改成 B 就行了 ，BE 就行了。
啊？
把那 run 改成 B 就行 ，BE 就行。
smooth 反正本来就是 smoothly 本来就是一个顺畅的意思，对吧？
嗯。
这个他老外能理解成流畅运行。
倒点水。
你打我了？
没有，我是。
我你看完的，不要放着。我也。
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to Tianjin Pengyu live stream. Tianjin Pengyu company is manufacturing provided global branding solutions, providing global branding solutions. Oh my gosh, a few people work here. Hmm. Hello everyone, please leave your comments. It's winter here. It's winter here in the North China. What about you? What about your area? Anyone come here? Please let me know where are you come from and give any comments. And look at the back wall of me. Look at the back wall of me. There are a lot of random waves. There are a lot of circles. There are a lot of circles behind me. Do you know what are these circles using for? Please please let me know if you have some ideas about the circles behind me. If you have any ideas about the circles behind me, what are these circles used for? What are these circles using for? Please let me know if there are. Okay. Again, again and again, again and again. Who we are. Please let me share you some. Please let me share you a brief of us. Who we are. We are Tianjin Pengyu New Material Company. It's a professional abrasive tool manufacturer. Abrasive tool manufacturer. The company's main products include the laser brazed finishing wheel, laser brazed finishing wheel. Where laser brazed finishing wheel here? Laser brazed finishing wheel. Laser brazed finishing wheel. And industry Bristol disc, industry Bristol disc, industry Bristol disc, radio Bristol disc, industry Bristol disc, radio Bristol disc. Non-woven polish wheel, commodity wheel, reverse commodity wheel, non-woven polish wheel, industry Bristol disc, reverse Bristol disc, laser brace wheel, and this one, reverse pro unitized wheel. This is special for the pipes threaded joints. For pipes threaded joints, this one. For pipe threaded joints. Okay, actually, there are a lot of people. They are working. A lot of people they are working in the in industry that they're working in the area of a petroleum industry. And for petroleum industry, they need to be the pipe, the different pipe. They want when they want to join together, they need to use the threaded to link each other. And the thread need to be polished with what? With this kind of product. Look at this or this. You don't know how much I want you to touch this wheel, right? We have different. This is from our opponent, a big name product. But if you touch these two, and you are out of this industry, even you are out of this area, you can feel which one is better, this one and this one. I really want you to touch these two different discs, and you can tell which quality is better. I really want you to know which quality is better. Just touch it, and you can feel it. It's more than real. The feeling won't lie to you. The feeling won't lie to you. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. Let me continue. Let me continue. Okay. The laser breeze wheel. The laser breeze wheel. Industrial Bristol disc. Radio Bristol disc. Nylon polish wheel. The burst convolute wheel. The burst convolute wheel and the pro unitized wheel. The pro unitized wheel. Some of them with this all kinds of wheels, we can polish all the industries, almost all industries. They apply to automobile manufacturing, aerospace, medical equipment, sport equipment, hardware products, precision polishing, and other professional fields. We will continue for sure as a company. If we want to be survive, we will continue to invest in technology and protect innovation and provide professional customized solutions for different industries applications. For different industry applications. Of course, that's what we do, that's what we did, what we are doing, and what we will do. Okay, so let me introduce you one by one. Let me introduce you one by one. Which one? If anyone in this live stream, you better leave me a comment, and I will explain what you want to know the most. Just leave me a comment to tell me which will you want to know more. Red one, green one, the colorful one, the smaller one, the big one, the thick one, the thin one. Just let me know what you want to know the most. Just tell me what you want to know the most, and I will introduce you. I will introduce you the one you want to know the most. So, if there's no priority, there's no priority you want to know. If there's no preference, if you don't have any preference, if you don't have any preference, and I introduce you one by one, okay? Okay. First, let's start. Is there any comments? Is there any comments here? Is there any interaction here? Oh my gosh, is there any interaction here? No one here. Can't understand. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Okay. Okay. Let's start from the laser breeze wheel. Laser breeze wheel, this one. Laser breeze wheel. Laser breeze wheel. I will show you a very interesting case study. Okay, laser breeze wheel. I will show you a very interesting case study. Laser breeze wheel. Laser breeze wheel is more close to you than other wheels. and close to using the other wheels. With the brace wheel, this one. Finishing rough, or pitted, roof edge. Brace without slowing down the line can be a real change. What's that mean? When you finish, when you finish the rough or pitted roof, normally you have to slow down the speed, slow down the speed, slow down the line. So look at here, look at here. This is the model. When we assemble the car, when we assemble the car, when we assemble the car, we put these wheels, we mount these wheels on the robotic arm, and to polish the line here, to polish the roof, to polish the car roof here, and to polish the roof car, to polish the car roof here. To polish the roof car here. And you know how many, look at this one piece. Do you know how many cars could be polished with this one piece of wheel? With this one piece, how many cars could be polished with this one piece of wheel? Do you know how many? Look at how many. How many cars could be polished with this one piece of wheel? How many cars? How many cars? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. 180 cars could be polished by this one piece of wheel. Can you imagine that? 150 cars could be polished by just this one piece of wheel. One piece of wheel. One piece of wheel. Laser brazed finishing wheels are designed to complete the brazing of roof joints in automotive assembles, removing and finishing excess metal so that these brazed parts are as clean and smooth as the attached surface. And let me give you some. Let me give you one, two. Show you here. Look at here and there. Laser braze wheel. Can you see? Maybe you can see how. Laser braze finishing wheel are designed to complete the braze of roof joints in automotive assembles, removing and finishing excess metal so that these brazed parts are as clean and smooth as attached surface. At present, this product works closely with domestic car companies. Get what brand? Guess what brand we are cooperating now? We are providing all wheels to some famous car company. Guess what company we are providing for wheels? Let me tell you. Volkswagen, Honda, BYD, Toyota. Volkswagen, Honda, BYD, and Toyota. Cool, right? Right. So, and we cooperate with many foreign car companies, like in the USA, in UK, Uzbekistan, and Germany, and France. We are cooperating with many foreign car companies. So, if you have friends or you have some relatives who works in a car company, and you can ask with them the next time you meet each other and you have a chat, and you can tell me, oh, I know someone on the YouTube or on TikTok. They could provide the branding solution. And as you work in the car company, when the car assembles, is there any parts need to be polished? And the answer would be yes. And at that time, you can introduce us to them. You know, I know, so I got a resource. I got a resource in China. In China, here's a manufacturing who manufacture wheels, grinding wheels, and they have a product called a laser bridge wheel. It can remove the stains, remove pitted ditches on the roof of the car. Yeah, please remember this. This is very useful. The next time when you talk to your friend who work in the car industry, and you can tell them about this, and they will cherish you, and they will thank you for sure, and they will thank you. Thank you for giving me that message, because I just want to looking for someone to who can provide this solution. Really, I'm serious. I'm serious. Hmm? I'm serious. You know. You know what I mean? and and these high performance unitized wheels are specially designed for higher pressure robotic and hand-holding leveling, finishing, and cleaning of continuous bridge wells on roof joints. Here, look at these orange arms, mounted wheel on robotic arms, designed for higher pressure robotic and hand-holding, leveling, finishing, and cleaning of continuous bridge weld on roof part joints, featuring the same projection, proven construction, and standard. Featuring the same projection, proven construction, and standard unitized wheel. Combine fast aggressive cutting with long life. I said with long. All of our products have the same point with long service life. You can process more cars between wheel changes. You can process more cars between the wheel changes. You know, if you and if your customer they need to polish, let's say they need to polish 10 cars, and during polishing these 10 cars, maybe they have used 5 pieces. But with our product, we just use 1 piece to polish 10 cars, and then maybe they have to change the wheels time to time, and then there will be 5 wheels to polish 10 cars. That's the difference. We can save your cost. All right. Okay. And we have many sizes for you to choose. Like 8-inch, like 8-inch outer diameter, 2.5 millimeter thickness, and 1-inch inner diameter, and 8-inch out, 3 millimeter, 1-inch inner, 8-inch out, and the thickness would be 3.5 millimeter, 4.2 millimeters, 4.5 millimeters. Different types, different sizes. All sizes available in multiple diameters and arbor holes, 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 9-inch size also available. Also available. Sorry, also available. Also available. And the performance analysis. We have do some tests. Compare with other brands like Germany brand, France brand, and our brand. The flatness and the warping degree, we are in an average. Degree of finishing, we are the best. Grinding life, we are the best. Can you see that? Can you see that? That's why we will do the live stream here. We want to let our best quality product to be known in the world. You know, there are not, there are a lot of wheels manufacturing in this world, but maybe you just know some famous brand in the USA, in Germany, in France. Actually, we can do better than them. But as in China, we have less way for you to know our good quality products. That's why we here for the live stream. We want to benefit more customers in the world. We want to benefit more customers in the world. As I say, all of the products at least they have a longer life than the others. And it means it can save your cost. It's very important. It's very important. Like you have the same money, you with the same budget, and you buy the same amount of discs, but by the other brand of the discs, it will use up in 10 days, but with ours it will use up in 30 days. You know what I mean? At least we can save your cost by or a longer Swiss life of the product. Please think about it. Please think about it. Every customer, please think about it. It's very important. Okay, the next. The next laser bridge wheel here is we got to end up here. Okay. The next, deburr and finish the pro unitized wheel. Deburr and finish unitized wheel. Deburr and finish unitized wheel. Ta-da! Deburr and finish pro wheel is specially designed for deburring and polishing applications of all kinds of metal pipe threaded rods. Threaded rods. Look at here. Look at this. Look at this picture. To polish the threaded joints. Look at this picture to polish the threaded joints. Okay. Why we choose this one? I give you 3 reasons. 1, excellent durability in deburring. Excellent durability in deburring also is again emphasized service life. 2, less dust, no scrap, safe protection, health and environmental protection. Health and environmental protection. You know what I mean? Health and environmental protection. Safe protection, no scrap, less dust, no scrap. Good. Can anyone tell me what's the meaning of no scrap? No scrap. No scrap. Okay. The third, comfortable polishing feel, moderate elasticity. Moderate elasticity. When you use this to polish the things, the elasticity is not so strong, and then you got a better feeling when you pressing, when you polish the stuff. Ding, 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 ding. Or or you use the other things if not, if the elastic. If the elasticity is strong, boom, the feeling is not good. Four, the fourth reason, not changes thread size, do not damage the workpiece. Very important, right? Very important. When you want to branding something by your product, when you want to branding something by your product, the most important, the customer never want their workpiece, never want their product to be deformed after use your wheels. This is very important. So if you are afraid of your workpiece, your product like cars and pipe, if you don't want them to be deformed, choose choose our product. Choose our product. Not change the thread size. Do not damage the workpiece. Do not damage the workpiece. It's very important. Very important. That's important. Okay, the next. Also, yeah, I would like to know. Design for burr removal and polishing applications at all types of metal pipe threaded joints. It efficiently removes burrs left by machine, especially on thread end, without damaging the substrate. Without the damaging the substrate. Without the damaging the substrate. Very important. Hmm. Okay. Any questions for the pro-unitizer wheel and the laser brace wheel after the introduction? Do you have any more questions about these two products? If you have, please let me know. Please let me know if you have any questions about the product that I introduced to you. Okay, if you have not that much questions, let me continue. We started to introduce the next product. The next perfect product is the boring Kamagut wheel. The boring Kamagut wheel. Guess which one? Give me a guess which one is the boring Kamagut wheel. You know which one is the boring Kamagut wheel? Have a guess. Which one? Which one is the boring Kamagut wheel? gray one. This one, the boring convoluted wheel. This one, the boring convoluted wheel. The boring convoluted wheel. Okay. The boring convoluted wheels are designed for a wide range of deburring applications, suitable for a wide range of polishing and deburring applications, and can substitute EXL deburring wheels 100%. If you are professional, if you are work in this industry, you must have heard of the EXL wheel, deburring wheel. And we can 100% replace them, substitute them. Actually, we are the only alternative for them. We are the only alternative for them in China. That's not in China, in the world. We are the only alternative for them. Okay. Such as medical devices, surgical polishing, metal cutting edge burrs, steel wire edge burrs, piston ring burrs, aluminum burrs, burrs on molding process parts, plastic parts, flashing, etc. You can use the convolute wheel to polish them, all of them. To polish them, all of them. Plier. Surgical plier polishing. You can see that. These high quality wheels use one sentence sum up. These high quality wheels used for high end stuff. Surgical pliers, medical equipment, and sports equipment, and piston rings, burrs on molding processing, and turbine blade, this is very rare. This is very rare company who can do this. Look at this. What is this? It's a model. It's a model of aircraft turbine blade. Look at these blades. They need to be polished also, and the parts of an aircraft need to be maintained time to time. During the maintenance, you have to use the wheels to polish the wheels to maintain the good work of the blades. So, with what can polish these wheels? Of course, high quality wheels. What high quality wheels? Look at the gray one. The burst convolute wheel. Give applause to the burst convolute wheel because very few companies in this world could produce this kind of stuff. Very few companies could produce this kind of wheel by which polish the high-end stuff like medical equipment, surgical pliers, with piston rings, aircraft turbine blades, and metal burrs, metal cutting edge burrs. aluminum burrs. So I'll give you some reasons why we choose this. They have ultra long durability, again, long service life. Help you to save the money, to save the cost. If you have the same budget buy our product, you can use longer. Second, the surface treatment effect is good. The surface treatment effect is good. Third, excellent high temperature resistance. When you use these wheels to polish something, when the speed is quite high, the speed maybe around 8,000 rotation, and the temperature is very high. Sometimes it could be very dangerous. And with our product has high temperature resistance. It can withstand high temperature. Avoid a lot of risks. Okay. And the low or dust environmental protection. Lower the dust to protect the environment. And to meet customers' requirement to maintain appropriate productivity, control cost, and deliver service within expectation, we designed a flexible convolute wheels grinding solution to replace the 3M convolute wheel that all customers had previously used. All the customers, all the professionals in this world, they know 3M. And to meet the requirement of these professionals, and we produce this kind of wheel, we can 100% to replace, substitute the 3M's convolute wheel. Or convolute wheel could 100% the alternative of 3M product to if you use 3M. If you use 3M convolute before and you use ours and there's nothing different you can feel. Okay. The first grade silicon carbide and alumina abrasive are selected. I'll tell you why. Our product could be the only alternative of 3M. The first, we use the best materials. Only first grade silicon carbide and aluminum abrasive are selected. And the abrasive are combined with non-woven materials to form a stable abrasive system. There's non-woven materials we need to form a stable abrasive system. The material operates at a lower temperature, providing uniform wear of these wheels. Uniform wear of these wheels. What's that mean? When you're grinding the stuff with the wheel, if the pressure is different on the different parts, it will hurt the workpiece itself. So you have to get a balance from during the polishing procedure. So with this kind of product, you can have an average wear. You can have an average wear. So providing uniform wear of these wheels, which can run the rough surfaces to the expected finish. You understand? Handles complex geometry, contour areas and clean contours effectively, removing unwanted burrs, dirt, oxide, and contaminants. Currently, we work with Harbin Turbine Blade Company. Harbin Turbine Blade Company is the very famous company who produce the turbine blade in China. Maybe the top 3, I think maybe the top 1 turbine blade manufacturer in China. and they choose to work with us. And you can see how good our quality is, how good the quality is of our product. Do you understand? Yes, that's the case study is the best proof, is the best support to us. Okay. The next, the nylon. High hardness nylon polish wheel. Okay. Nylon polish wheel is compared with the other product that we produce is a kind of normal. It's kind of normal, to be honest. High quality, but it's still compared with other nylon finish wheels. The quality of ours is higher, of course. High quality. The fiber polish wheel, or we say the non-woven fiber polish wheel, is made of high toughness, heat resistant nylon fiber, and high quality silicon carbide and other mixed abrasives. We only choose the best quality materials to form a wheel. Okay. Excellent performance. The web structure and high tensile strength of the deburring wheel have impressed anti-clogging performance. Anti-clogging performance. That it will be very risk if there's something clogging happened when you deburrs and when you polish the wheel, when you polish the stuff, when you polish the workpiece. Okay. The nylon polish wheel they have impressive anti-clogging performance, excellent heat loss performance, smooth operation, low noise, water and oil resistance, providing the best polishing experience. Provide the best polishing experience. Provide the best polishing experience. Okay. Versatile. Nylon fiber polishing discs are ideal for removing unwanted burrs, sharp edge, paint oxides, removing corners, welding stains, and from metal workpieces is also suitable for ceramic, marble, and other stone surfaces. Versatile. Versatile, okay. Versatility, versatile. Okay, versatile. The nylon fiber of fiber polish wheel. Also, it could polish a lot of stuff, but compared with the gray one, compared with Kamaguchi one, Kamaguchi could polish more high-end stuff, more valuable stuff. Okay, I'll give you some case show. Ordinary black nylon wheel is generally used to polish kitchen utensils, golf clubs, medical equipment, hardware processing, and other types of metal. The video and the picture are ultra high hardness nylon wheel customized for polishing the oil drill pipe of Digital United Petroleum Technology, using high quality nylon fiber with high toughness and high temperature resistance, selecting the first grade silicon carbide and other mixed abrasives, and compounding by special adhesive with excellent adhesion. With, with excellent adhesion. It can effectively remove welding stains. Look at the drill pipe. Look at the drill pipe after polishing. How brightness shining, right? After use or nylon fiber wells polish them. Okay, the next industrial bristol disc. Industrial bristol disc. This one is industrial bristol disc. Industrial bristol disc. Using proprietary ceramic bristle and molded flexible bristle blended with alumina, the cyclonic needles polishing brush efficiently cleans, strips, deburrs, blends, finishes, polishes, scratches, and removes rust and coating without damaging the substrate. Like proprietary. Why today I feel there are so many so many words that I'm uh, that I'm not sure what it means. Proprietary, using proprietary ceramic abrasive and molded flexible bristles blended with alumina. The cyclonic needle polishing brush, the cyclonic polishing brush efficiently cleans, strips, deburrs, blends, finishes, polishes, stretches, and removes rust and coating without damaging the substrate. It's very important. It often happened that when you polish something, the substrate of the workpiece would be damaged during the polishing process. It's a big loss. Sometimes it could cause a big loss to the customers. That you know how important to use the wheels when the polishing your workpiece. Do not damage the coating or do not damaging the or do not damaging what I said. Do not damage the substrate. Okay. Under normal use, the bristles can be safely held in place and only light pressure is needed. What I mean, it could save your labor, as I said. For you ask operator to do the polish and use other wheels. Maybe the operator needed to focus on it to uh, devote all himself to give the most pressure to polish the things. It could be very hard and very exhausted after polish something. But with this one, with our industry Bristol disc, with light, smaller pressure, it could achieve the same polishing goal as others. Okay, the quick exchange attachment makes it easy to mount to a plastic holder or tool and can be used with most power tools. Cleaning engine surface and the coating on aircraft blades. Okay, on aircraft blades. And the odor, I have to say the odor is quite, the strange smell is quite small. Use this one, the radio industrial radio disc, because of the different material with other punch wheels, is quite environmental friendly. It produce less strange smell, odor, to the other wheels. Okay. And as the radial Bristol disc. Radial Bristol disc features proprietary ceramic abrasive and molded flexible bristles that provide more surface contact than a wire brush and maintain abrasive performance throughout its service life. Because the special shape because of the special shape of this Bristol disc, it can provide more surface contact than the wire brush. And maintain the abrasive performance throughout its service life.
这什么棉？
都没人今天，我也不知道怎么回事。今天抖音也一个人没有，我要没看错的话，一个人也没来，不知道怎么回事。你看昨天啊，是不是会有事？我觉得他这是不是那个，我也不知道怎么回事。你看啊，一般播的话，它就算是它滑着滑着，它也会有人进，对不对？它哪怕它就好像咱刷抖音的时候刷也会有人，哪怕是误入的，它也会进。但是咱们今天这儿啊，一个人也没有，我不知道怎么回事。而且它时不时的会出现啊，刚才会出现那种什么连接中断什么，我不知道，但是应该不是网的事，但是也不可能是手机的事，也不知道是哪个事。这个连接是不是会显示中断？然后这边呢，从这手机上看又巨卡，这手机上都出不了一句整话，就从这个手机上看直播间啊。所以不知道这今天这是怎么回事。
这个号这个正常，这个是美国的。
这有关系吗？
因为美国的那边，他优先给你推美国的用户。
不是，我觉得不管是推哪儿的用户，他总得有人进。就像咱说的，咱刷抖音啊，刷，咱总会，就算进一个直播间，咱们不感兴趣，咱们可能也1秒钟刷进去，再1秒钟出来，还总得有人进出啊。但是我看这一下午啊，我就看咱就看这底下这个，
不动，
没有，就除了咱自个儿那号以外，没有一个进出的，这非常不对。我觉得这不可能，这几个就是。
是不是没点直播？
没点直播啊！哎呀，咱把这点了看看，我看也赶不上啊！直播着呢，现在一点它就是结束直播，对不对？咱看看啊，它有结果。你看，竟然就一个观众。我觉得这个
太正常。
对，这个，我觉得这是不可能的。
是不是新号？
怎么说呢？咱再新的号，我认为啊，哪怕咱几个拿抖音开播去，肯定都有人会进。他哪怕刷错了，他也进，得有不止一个人进，对不对？播2小时了，对吧？
休息一会儿吧，今天再播2个。
这个怎么评？那这个也没人。
这是不是没？